Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I am back with a second kit today, and this one I'm calling the Sari collar kit because each kit is going to come with a full collar from a Sari. Each kit has a different color collar, and I will show you the different colors. This is one, and they're all equally beautiful. You know, they're just, you would pay a lot of money to get a full collar piece. I have some in my Etsy because there's so much rhinestones and beading. These are not cheap pieces, but I'm including a full piece in this kit for you guys. So each kit will have a different one, and I'm not going to, you know, pick and choose. It's luck of the draw which one you get because they're all beautiful. So there's this beautiful orange one that I just showed you here, and this has gorgeous rhinestones. Look at those rhinestones. I mean, the sparkle on this is just absolutely amazing. These are all rhinestones all along the collar. Absolutely beautiful embroidery work, gems, absolutely stunning and so sparkly. I mean, really, look at that sparkle. So pretty. So there's that one. There is this gorgeous red one, which also has the rhinestones, the purple and the green, and then it has three of these gorgeous motifs, which are huge. But look at the rhinestones on here. I've given some of these pieces in my kits before. They're beautiful pieces, but this one has three. And it's got the red fabric, and I left the backing fabric, so there's extra fabric on each one too. You can take that off and make flowers with it if you like. So that is the second collar piece, and the rhinestones go all the way up. So there's that one, and then the third one has the pink, which is a hot pink, and it has the little mirrors going along the collar that you can see there. And then it's got the bigger motifs with the big pink gemstones, and then that piece in the center, and then another piece over there. So they're beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and I hate to kind of cut them. This one also has some smaller pieces at the top here, little smaller motifs there, and then there's one there as well. It's just how they get cut when I'm making my kits, but they're beautiful. So each kit is going to get a full collar, and again, it's luck of the draw which one you get. So there's that. So I'm just going to put that aside, and then the rest of it is all exactly the same. There's nothing to worry about there. Everything else is the same. So there is this piece. And there's a lot of beaded pieces, and there is a lot of beautiful boho fabrics as well. So I've kind of mixed and matched. This is a nice big piece. Look at that. Gorgeous. With purple on the silk. It's just beautiful. And each piece has one of these gorgeous beaded pieces. It has the piece at the top here with the beads. And then these are little beads here, and then it's got the beaded leaves, and then it's got that there, the beautiful flower motif, and then the smaller flower motif, and then the stones all intertwined in the background, and then a couple of rows of them there, and then a row along the top as well. So lots of beads. This is the burnout velvet, and I've included a piece as I've been organizing. I found more, so I'm sharing a beautiful, nice big piece of the burnout velvet for you guys. Of course, each piece is going to be different because it's a crazy wild pattern on here, but I love it, and it's beautiful soft velvet. I absolutely adore it. I really, really love it. So pretty. And then there is this gorgeous piece of beaded sari in the pink. So pretty, nice big piece, and there's more beading going up it that way as well. Nice big piece of that. There is a lovely big piece of Cantha quilt that I know everybody's been after for their journal making. So that's the one side of it. And then that's the other. And I'm also going to be having Cantha quilt packs in my Etsy probably in the next day or so. I'm just getting them organized. So watch my Etsy for that, and the link to my Etsy is in the description box. So there'll be a 3-pack of Cantha quilt and then some extra little Sari pieces with it. And then you can just get a good price to get your Cantha quilt. There'll be enough to make a journal and a few pockets as well. So stay tuned for that. And then this is a beautiful piece of crochet trim in this gorgeous spicy pumpkin orange color. Great for pockets in a gypsy journal. Love it. This is a beautiful piece of Sari that is beaded. This piece will be slightly different because of the way it was cut in each kit, but it'll be equally as pretty. So there's a nice piece of that as well. And these are all little tiny sequins on here. And then there's little pearls. Like the workmanship that goes into these, it just astounds me. This is all wire thread. So pretty. And then these are the more of the boho fabrics. So there's a gorgeous piece of embroidered satin in a beautiful eggplant color. This I love. This is a beautiful piece of gold fabric, and it has these beautiful velvet raised flowers on here in the darker color, and then there's a lighter color right there. So you could cut those out and just use them on a project. You could cut the leaves out, and then down below that is this ruched piece, and it's got the braided trim on it. So you could use this for a cover for a journal. You could take this braid off if you wanted to and use that. You could cut the flowers out. It's a nice big piece. It would make a lovely cover for a journal. So there's that. And then there is one of these beautiful pink and gold pieces. Absolutely gorgeous. And it's got the stones in it as well. And then this is the last of this Sari. I cut the top of this, so there is the middle part and then the 2 sides in the 3 kits. So this is one of the sides, and then the person who gets the middle part will get one of these bigger motifs and then more of the collar part. Excuse me. So gorgeous. It's like beaded top to bottom. It's absolutely amazing. All little tiny seed beads here and sequins. And then each one has the giant motif with the great big huge stone in it. Like, could you imagine that on a cover of a journal? So amazing. It's so sparkly and pretty. I just love it. Love it. And then my new favorite fabric, which is this. I mean, I love it. It has the little mirrors on it. So pretty. And all this embroidery, you know. It's just incredible, the workmanship, like I said. I love it. These would make beautiful little pockets or tuck spots in a journal, or you could make a bag out of it. I mean, you could do anything with it. It's so pretty. I just love that. And the colors are so vibrant. And then there's a nice big piece of the teal and gold and white Sari, with the nice edging here, and then a beautiful area here. Again, this is big enough to make a journal. That's what I was thinking. This gives you lots of options to make books, this kit. And then this, I was thinking, would make a beautiful cover as well. Everybody's going to get a nice big piece of this heavyweight upholstery fabric. More than enough to make a cover with. Isn't it pretty? Or you could cut these out separately if you wanted to and make pockets with them. There's lots you could do. And then I added this piece as well, which I thought would look really nice. I mean, even that side is nice, right? You could use that side if you wanted to go that route, but you could put this on the inside if you wanted to, for the inside of your journal. There's enough to do that, so that would be the inside of your journal. Isn't that pretty? And then that would be the outside. So there is tons here. So that's 2. I've never count. When I'm putting kits together, I just kind of go, that looks good, and what would I want in a kit? And, you know, so that's how I kind of put my kits together, is how I would want a kit, what would I pay for it, how big are the pieces. So I hope that you guys like, you seem to like what I'm doing with kits, so that's cool. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, that beautiful Cantha quilt, 12, 13 is the velvet, 14, 15, and the collar piece. And if I'm not mistaken, let me just check my other kit here for something. I just want to make sure I'm not missing something. Right, I am missing something. Okay, each piece is going to have a piece of this beautiful satin in it as well, with the blue roses. I knew I was missing something. So, yeah, that's the kit. And like I said, each kit is going to have a collar piece with it, and it will be luck of the draw. It'll be a surprise when you get it. But that is the kit, and the kit is $18, which is a steal for getting a full collar piece. That's a steal. So I hope that you guys like this kit, and well, let's do something. The first person who buys this kit will get your choice of the collar. How about that? And after that, it's luck of the draw. So that's the kit, $18 plus shipping. You can email me. My email's in the description box. Thank you guys for watching and for buying the kits. I appreciate it. Let me know what you think, guys. Bye.